What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. Me there on another hit and a smash and a bang. I know people don't know what time it is. Yeah man, people in the part. Yeah man, people, welcome back to the latest, the maddest, the sickest, the dopest reaction channel on YouTube. And you don't know, never the saddest. You see me? And you don't know people there with another video, and they with another video today from Kraff. Yeah, the one entitled Giant. You see me? You don't know, last video we covered Massacre and Jashi Pieces. You see me? The video that I do numbers, people right now. If you're not watching already, definitely go check it out. You see me? Go hit a like and subscribe button. You see me? You don't know, people, before jumping in the video today, we have a goal. We have a goal of 50 likes. You see me? 50 likes, that's the goal. Simple. You see me? But reachable, right? So go ahead and hit the like and subscribe. In a bad mind. You see me? From your heart clean. You see me? Hit that like and subscribe button. You see me? You see me? Show your boy some love and support. You see me? But today, we have to check out Kraff. The one named Giant. I don't know Kraff about no PC. You see me? Kraff a mad artist. It's one of my out of the new generation. This is one of my favorite artists right now. You see me? You see me? So yeah man, Kraff I do him thing. I'm gonna check out the song named Giant. You see me? I'm gonna check out the song. I'm not heard the video yet. You see me? But we don't know Kraff. Yeah, that crafty, so you know? The one I must have a mad man, so I'll check it out and see what go on. So we're not gonna hold the vibes much longer. I jump right now. This one is Kraff, Giant. Let's get it.
Yabadabado, dabadaba, dabadabado.
Go down the pan.
Hey, chopped up. Yabadabado,
Yabadaba.
Dabadabado, dabadaba, dabadabadabadabadabado. It's like Giant, Science up.
I ain't gonna lie, the visuals, but now when I'm mad, who they shot on a King Cam?
Oh, Giant,
I'm not lie, just one thing like about Kraff music and in video them, like the music they always have this like little eerie, alluring kind of start to it. You see me, and the video them mad. There's some different
Stay in the dark, I can't see me. Stay with a strap, I can't see me. Blue face in my pocket when I use Billy. Find a hit song in a book.
So stay in the dark, you can't see me. Stay with that strap, you can't too silly. Dear man, say to you that brick you can use Billy.
For a few minutes, you're the reading I have sauce, dog a whole Billy. Stay in a rise apart, make the cook lyrics. Down look till if you camera, dog a movie this. We no shoot for miss, that's how we step.
No sir, don't shoot for what? No sir.
Like Giant, Science up. Touch it high with the high and top.
Come in, man. Science up, touch it blow with the top. Come in, with what talk?
Who attack, quiet, top in eyes. Miss a fish. Giant, Science up.
I didn't even know he was about to do that, guys. I didn't even know he was about to do that shit. I said, quiet, son. Man.
Touch it with the high and top. Who attack, quiet, top.
Shut that boy.
Miss a fish. Colonna kick like Yabadabado. Yabadabado. Colonna kick like Yabadaba.
Yeah, vibes, bro. Vibes. Man, song them full of beer vibes. And just get this. It put you in this mood, you see me?
Dabadabado. Colonna kick like Yabadabado. Yabadabado.
It put you in your own little zone, in your own little world, like, you know? In a my vibe type thing. You see me? That dog music and video and give off. You see me? Yeah, man.
Yabadaba. Girl, I say me clean like Clorox. OG Bobby Johnson, now they fit me, call it throwback. Chat me then, call me cool, sipping and corner.
Easy, man. What cleaner than that? Come in, man.
Yeah, we don't but we no fool. Hey, with the coda. We shot a man for two pussy better.
Easy, Valiant. Yo, easy, yo. Then dog, you know. The dog, yo, the man, the biggest duo since Blow Goku and Blood Cleave Vegeta, since Superman and Batman, since Captain America and Blow Iron Man. Me don't know, then dog, then dog, then rate one of them. You see me, the energy just did it. You see me, you see Kraff, you see Valent, you see Kraff, and you know, you see one of them mentioning each other. Yo, I'm mad.
Know that pinky ring up on my finger, Gucci shoes, and no brand. Pussy, no brand.
Pussy, no brand. Eh? You don't know a brand? Cause me see someone on way so knock off, don't. Nah, go to that. You talk, stick to the music, you see me?
As we step like giant, science up. Touch it hard with the high and talk. Water, boy, quiet up.
Someone off the tap on the someone off the tap on the nice.
Tapping nice.
Miss a fish. Giant, science up.
Goes up.
Touch it hard with the high and talk.
Thing again.
Water, boy, quiet up.
Wash your mouth, hey boy.
Miss a fish. Stay in the dark, I can't toast me. Stay with a strap.
No, sir.
I can't toast me. Blue face in my pocket, we no use Billy.
Get your fuck.
Blue face in a pocket, we don't use Billy. But yeah, man, say Kraff. Me use my bill first, my brother. You see me? So I have to talk truth for them. Use my wallet. I don't know about who. You see me? I still keep a Kyle, but I still keep my wallet. I want to know.
Find a hit song in about few minutes. You're the rhythm, you have sauce, dog, I hold the
Oh.
Still no rise it back, make the cool lyrics. Can't look the if you camera dog, I movie this. You know shoot for me. Step like giant.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the one the mad man. Me not lie. Oh, no, King Cam shoot the one. Okay. But yeah, man, the one the mad. Yeah, man, the one the Kraff giant. Yeah, man, that is a big tune. I don't know Kraff style. You see me? Yeah, man, now I always come with the different, the like, I'm in my vibe, one world type music video and music, you see me? But yeah, man, giant, you see me, that's him, turn up him thing, you see me, dog now play with it, you see me? Yeah, man, real man truth from Kraff, you see me, you expect nothing less, you see me? Every song Kraff drop, still, you know, me not lie. Kraff not really make a tune, a bad tune yet, you can't really. Man, well, if it's not type of your type of vibes, so me understand. But yeah, man, all the dog tune them like I can't play Kraff all day, man. Me not like, you see me? But anyway, yeah, man, real dope tune, Kraff giant. Definitely go check him out. So him show love and support. Make you know say boy Jambisco send you. You see me? Yeah, man, and definitely go show boy dog some love and support. Yeah, man. Like, subscribe, people know anything about I want to, you see me, it's a Kraff giant, anything about I want a garbage or they want a lit, you see me, drop the garbage can emoji, shit emoji, fire emoji, you see me, whatever you think it is, you see me, I think it's a wave, drop it, whatever you think fire, drop fire emoji, I don't know what things yet, you know what I'm saying, don't know it's boy Jambisco, and I hit and smash on a banger, till next time, take care of yourself and each other, love you guys, and I'm out.